So again, we're going to be doing a warm-up that has order of operations, and we've inserted some of those integers into this problem as well. So here we are. We're going to make sure we funnel down, of course, and follow the order of operations. So the first thing in the order of operations, of course, is the P, parentheses. So going across from left to right, well, there's really only one parentheses in this problem. It's right there, because this one at the end for the negative 70 is simply there to separate the plus sign from the negative. So I know I'm going to be bringing down the 64 plus 10. And then inside the parentheses, I'm going to have negative 6 plus 11. So let's see, if I knew that it was negative 6 degrees outside and it went up 11 degrees, I should know that it's now 5 degrees outside. And then bring down the rest of this problem, times 2 plus negative 70. Okay, now I know that's the end of the parentheses. So next thing is exponents. There are no exponents in this problem, so parentheses and exponents are now done. And the next thing is multiplication and division, as always, from left to right. So there were a few of you that did ask me about this. When there's a number next to the parentheses like that, that means multiplication. So that means the first multiplication that we get to, or division, in this problem there's no division, is this 10 times 5. And I know that 10 times 5 is 50. Bring down the rest of that problem. I've got 64 plus 50 times 2 plus negative 70. I've still got some more multiplication to do right here. Underline the rest of that problem. I know that 50 times 2 is 100. Bring down everything else. I've got 64 plus 100 plus negative 70. So there's now no more multiplication or division. And I'm going to be moving on to addition and subtraction, again, in order from left to right. So the first thing I get to is 64 plus 100. I know that that is 164. I'm going to add that to negative 70. So this is like if I had $164 in my bank account, or just plain had $164, and I spent $70, how much money would I have left? Well, I know if I've got 70 and I take away that 64, that means there's just $6 left of the 70 that I still need to take away. So I know 100, take away that final 6, is going to give me $94 that I still have. So your final answer, oh, I actually put them down. It's not really money. That was just the example that we gave. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to confuse anyone. Our final answer here is 94.